Today we are reviewing Instant Omni Pro 19 quarts air fryer toaster oven combo from the makers of Instant Pot, which has 14-in-1 functions and fits up to 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, an app with over 100 recipes. Featuring 14-in-1 functionality, this air fryer is capable of cooking, broiling, baking, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, rotisserieing, toasting, warming, convection cooking, slow cooking, proofing, splitting, and measuring temperatures with its temperature probe. This technology is an advanced version of EvenCrisp Technology that drives airflow from the top down for a perfect golden finish and crisp, tender results every time. In addition, it also incorporates the concept of split cook, which allows two cooking programs to run in sequence, such as baking mac and cheese and then broiling it to give a crisp finish. In terms of capacity, it is extremely large. It can easily fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken, and so much more. It is the perfect size to fit easily on your countertop without taking up too much space. The temperature can be adjusted between 170 to 450 Fahrenheit. This was review for Instant Omni Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo.